All of us goes through difficult times in life. All of us face challenges, obstacles in our journey. And today I'm sharing with you 7 things I learned about life in difficult times. And I believe these 7 things are going to help you go through difficult times and focus on your goals, desires, and dreams. Have the motivation, have the positivity to go forward and achieve the success you desire. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome AZ, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm so happy and excited to be back with my awesome tribe here. So, as I said, today I'm sharing with you the 7 things I learned in my difficult times. So the very first thing that I learned going through a lot of difficult times and challenges and obstacles in life, and of course all of us goes through it, that no matter how bad your life is, there is always an opportunity. Yes, there is always an opportunity to turn things around. That is the key. And when you remember this, you get so much of positivity, you get this new energy in you that you look for the solution, you look for the opportunity, right? For example, if you are getting fired from a job, so many people get disturbed, depressed, and that is a difficult time. But at the same time, it is an opportunity for you to manifest and look for the right job and get it into the right job. Or this is an opportunity for you to change your career, start following your passion, start doing something you love. Or this is an opportunity to start a business or build a new career that you always wanted to do. So when you go through bad times, every bad moment, every misfortune has a seed of good fortune within it. And when you remember that, you start thinking and focusing on yourself, into your life and in that bad situation with a new perspective. And that's when you gain the new energy to start forward, move forward. Because if you don't do that, you will stay stuck in that negative situation. And that is going to be worst. Now, the second thing I learned about life is no matter how much you believe in your dreams, goals, and desires, no matter how positive you are, not everyone is going to believe in you, and not everyone is going to help you. And this is what I learned very early in life when I was done with my 12th education. And I scored only 51%, and I wanted to study engineering, and I wanted to put my heart and soul, and I wanted to learn from someone, from a teacher who can help me. And I went to many teachers and I told them that I really want to learn everything very well. I really want to prepare well so that I want to get into a good engineering college. And none of them were believing in me, none of them were ready to teach me. So that's the time I learned. And so many things has happened in life. Like there are so many times I want to do something, I believe in myself, I believe in everything, but not everyone is going to believe in you. So many a times I've seen people that they believe in their dreams, they're excited, they're positive, and they share it with 5 people, or they expect 5 people to help them and believe in their dreams and support them. And when some of those people, or even all the 5 people, are not believing in them, they lose the motivation, they get disheartened. Do not do that. Because when you get disheartened because some people are not believing in your dreams, that's when you lose the game. So always remember, yes, you believe in your dreams. Some people may not believe in you, may not believe in your dreams. It's absolutely fine. You are going to follow your dream because that's your dream, that's not their dream. Now the third point is, which is relevant to the last point, even if the best people don't believe in your dreams, but if you keep following your dreams, then eventually you will find the right people, the people who will actually support you, the people who will actually help you, the people who will actually give you that energy, give you that idea, give you that direction to move forward. And that's what happened in my life, like the way I shared. when none of those teachers were ready to teach me or ready to take me into their coaching class to help me get through the engineering exam and get it into a good engineering college. Initially I was disheartened, but then I kept on looking because I was determined that I am going to crack the exam and going to get it into one of the best engineering college. And eventually I met a friend, and he said, like, there is this one teacher, he has few students and he's very good, and he may help you. And I went to that teacher and I talked to him. He said that I think you have a strong motivation and desire to do something extraordinary. You can join my class, and if you give your best, if you put your heart and soul, I'm going to help you and teach you in every way possible. And I'm always grateful to the teacher. Because of him, I could able to give my best in the preparation, and I could able to clear the engineering entrance exam with flying colors and got it into one of the best engineering colleges in India. So that's the thing. You have the dream, you have the desire. Not everyone is going to believe in you, but if you do not give up and keep looking for it, you will eventually find the people who will believe in you and who are going to help you. Point number 4. When you go for your dreams, do not just wish for it. Put your heart and soul into it. Yes, this is the biggest secret of all the successful people. And people who are not achieving, this is the difference. They wish for it. They think and wish, and there is nothing wrong in wishing. But it always starts with a wish, that you wish that you want to have this thing, you want to achieve the success, you want to achieve the professional success, personal success, you want to have everything. This is the best thing. The wish are the beginning, but only those wishes have to become strong, compelling visions, dreams, goals, and then you put your heart and soul into it. That's what I have been doing. Why I kept on winning as much as possible in my life. Whenever I want to do something, I achieve it because I put my heart and soul into it. And that's what I have seen people in businesses who are succeeding well, people who are cricketer, athlete, actor, singer, in any field. If anyone is successful, it's because they start with a wish, they form a vision, they have the dream, they have the goals, and then every single day they put their heart and soul into it. Whereas many other people, they wish for it. They said, oh, I wish I should achieve it. Oh, I wish I should be rich. Oh, I wish I should be successful. Oh, I wish I should have that car. Oh, I wish I should have that home, that thing. But then they start, because of their own belief or because of the people around them, they feel that, oh, it's not possible, or it's difficult, or I don't know how it is going to work. So put your heart and soul into it. Now, point number 5. No matter how positive or optimistic you are, rejections and failure are the part of life. Yes, rejections and failure are part of your journey. Sometimes you get rejected or failed because you are not yet ready for it. You are not well prepared. Sometimes you get rejected or failed because you were focusing on the wrong goal, wrong people, wrong perception. So rejections and failures are part of life, and sometimes you failed because you are not yet ready for the big game. So always, when you get rejected, when you failed, always remember, this is not the end. The first question you are going to ask, have you really prepared well? Have you really put your heart and soul into it? Second, are you focusing on the right opportunities? Are you working for the right goal? Are you working for the right manifestation? If no, change it. Ask yourself, what is wrong with your focus? What is wrong with the destination, with the goal? If it is not right, change it. Focus on the right thing. Focus on the right opportunity, manifestation, and then work for it. Because when you focus on it, then you will move forward. And rejections and failures are part of life. And once my sister told me one interesting thing. We were talking about rejections, and she said, every time you get a rejection or somebody say no, whether in personal or professional life, no means it's a new opportunity. Yes, always remember, when you get rejected, in anything, in a job, in a relationship, in a business proposal, in a presentation, if someone is saying no, it means it's a new opportunity. So look forward, go for it. And when my sister told me those words, I always remember. So failure and rejections are part of life, but that is not the end. That just a point, maybe a detour, maybe something to take a U-turn for a while, maybe to take left, maybe to take right, but to keep moving forward. Now the point number 6. If you have the drive, you can achieve it. Yes. Only people who are not successful in life, or only people who are not achieving anything in their life, are the people who are losing their drive. If you want to be successful, if you know that you are going to be successful, if you know that you are going to create something extraordinary, if you know that you are going to live an amazing life, an abundant life, you deserve all the abundance, success, prosperity, wealth, happiness, love, joy, then nothing can stop you if you have the drive, because none of these things can stop you. You keep moving forward. And then comes the most important and the most powerful learning that I have learned in life is, when you do your best, God will do the rest. Yes, listen to this. When you do your best, God will do the rest. So trust the higher power. If you have a noble dream, if your dreams, goals and desires are positive, worthy, fulfilling, and if your intentions are right and positive, and if you are putting your heart and soul into your process, into your dreams, putting everything possible, driven, not losing your motivation because of rejections, because of pain, because of suffering, because of failures, then if you are giving your best, God will do the rest. And you destined for greatness, you destined for success. So my friend, I know that all of you go through some challenges in some point in life, and all of us goes through it, because sometimes life is a way to test us. But in those moments, how we think, how we feel, and what we do make all the difference. So if this 7 points has inspired you, if this 7 point has given you the hope, given you the motivation, then like this video and let me know in the comment section which are the points, maybe just 1 point or maybe 2-3 points, which have really hit you hard and which you really want to remember every single day. Let me know right now in the comment. And if you're new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, be a part of our awesome tribe. And if you want to learn more powerful tools, techniques and processes, then check our academy, Awesome AZ Academy, because there are so many powerful programs out there which are going to help you achieve your goals, desires and dreams. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AZ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Thank you.